Good morning, Standard 5. Today we are going to read our English language book, and in this book, today we are going to discuss chapter 3rd. Okay, we have discussed in our earlier classes, we have discussed two chapters, so today we are discussing chapter 3rd, and our third chapter topic is countable and uncountable nouns. Countable and uncountable nouns. गणनीय संज्ञा व अगणनीय संज्ञा. Okay, this is the first part video. So countable nouns, what is countable nouns? गणनीय संज्ञा क्या होती है? So here is the definition, students. Let's read the definition. The noun which we can count are called countable nouns. The nouns which we can count are called countable nouns. वैसे संज्ञा जिसे हम लोग गिन सकें गणनीय संज्ञा कही जाती है. Here are some examples. Tiger, we can count how many tigers are there. We can count bag also. Glasses can be counted also. Home and pen, these are the nouns that we can count. So that's why they are countable nouns. Now let's talk about the definition of uncountable nouns. अगणनीय संज्ञा, वैसी संज्ञा जिसको हम लोग गिन नहीं सकते हैं. The definition: the noun which we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. वैसी संज्ञा जो हम लोग नहीं गिन सकते हैं, जिसे गिना ना जा सके, को कहेंगे uncountable nouns. So like sugar, sand, water, rice, hair and star. So here are some nouns that we cannot count. Okay, we can count the 1 kg of sugar. That is how sugar can be count. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर हम लोग चीनी को बस ऐसे ही कहेंगे 2 चीनी ले आओ तो नहीं ला सकते ना. सो इसके जो मेजरमेंट होते हैं, जो SI यूनिट होता है, उसको हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट्स यूजेस. So now students, let's talk about its uses. So it is the uses of common noun are either countable or uncountable nouns. So countable nouns have plural forms. Like example, cans, kids, cows and houses. Take articles a, an or the before them. Example, a brush, an orange, the man. Take words such as many, a few, a large number of before them. Example, many apples, a few roses, a large number of bottles. So this is how countable nouns can be used. Now let's talk about the use of uncountable noun. Don't have plural forms. The countable nouns, as you can see over here, students, it does not have any plural forms. Like water, water does not have any plural form. Butter does not have any plural form. Salt does not have any plural form. So take only the definite article, the before them. So uncountable nouns only take the definite articles, like the juice we had, the milk is cold, like this. Take words such as much, little, a large amount of before them. Examples, much praise. So praise can be counted by much praise. We cannot count like 2 praise or 3 praise. Okay, so little time, a large amount of money. Both countable and uncountable nouns have the following in common. So there are some examples that have both the forms. Countable noun and uncountable nouns have common forms, like some and a lot of before them. Some and a lot of before them. Example, some bananas, some milk, a lot of chocolates, a lot of honey. any before them in question and negative form. Example, do you have any paper, do you have any milk, there isn't any bulb, there isn't any light. So एनी का यूज़ हम लोग क्वेश्चंस के लिए और नेगेटिव सेंस के लिए यूज़ करेंगे. सो दैट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ योर काउंटेबल नाउन एज वेल एज योर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. लेट्स मूव ऑन द एक्सरसाइजेज. The exercise is find out if the following nouns are countable or uncountable nouns. So as you can see, the pictures is given over here. You have to tell whether these words is countable or uncountable. Like television. So if we can count television, we will write C, and if we cannot count television, we will write U. Okay, this is how you gonna solve these exercises, students. So that is your home assignment, students. That's all for students today. Be safe and keep learning.